I'm the CEO of Lunatech with a service company, and we work for years for automotive industry. So why I'm here? Because we learned about SDV, this initiative, and we were quite interested, and we wanted to know more about it since there is quite a lot to do in this area, especially in the open source side of things. So we're here to see how we can contribute, and not only with code, but also with knowledge sharing. And so far has been a success. We met a lot of people, so that was really good. And we discovered that we all re-implementing the same thing, because nobody seemed to know what projects and they're not open source right now. So the idea is to open source as much as possible, so we don't need to reinvent the wheel every time, and we can have better software. In Lunatech, we contribute and we use open source software for 25 years now. So it's quite a long time. We contributed to diverse open source projects like Debian in Linux. We are really into the Java ecosystem, so a lot of Java framework, etc. So it's just naturally that we meet with these people, and right now, like I say, the goal is to really see what is there and how we can help. That I think is part of our DNA. So that's why we are actually. The role of open source in general is to gather brilliant minds, because most of open source contributors are not driven. It's not only work; it's passion, and it's to make a better software for the automotive world, basically. So it means also the open source and people on open source are really eager to contribute. So what does that mean? To contribute is to exchange ideas and to make it better. And when we work on the automotive industry, we are a bit shocked that it's not yet shared globally. There is this idea that no, I need to keep my code here and my code here because I have a competitive advantage, which is absolutely not true. I think on the contrary, it's by sharing that you can have a better competitive advantage. So I'm more than happy that in Europe it's developing, and there is quite a lot of initiative around that.